Morning, students. Once again, we read about more active and passive voice. In the previous class, we have done the rules of active and passive voice and also done the simple present, present continuous, and present perfect tense. Okay. Today we go through the simple past tense. First of all, simple past tense. Okay. So first of all, how to identify the simple past tense? So when a sentence has the structure of subject plus V2, okay, V2 means second form of the verb, like eat, ate, read, read, run, ran, okay, come, came. So subject plus V2 plus object. If any sentence contains subject plus V2 plus object, then it is of simple past tense. When we change it into passive, it becomes object comes first, then we use was, were, then V3, then by plus subject. For example, he killed a snake. So see here, killed, it is a V2, okay, and subject, so it is of simple past tense. So we change it into the passive. So object comes in place of subject, to a snake. Thereafter we use was or were. So with a snake we use was, okay. Then we use V3, so killed, V3 is killed. Then by plus subject comes in place of object, means he changed into him. So he killed a snake. Its passive is a snake was killed by him. The second example is, I have taken one interrogative sentence. Did you read this novel? Read this novel? Okay. So here also read, the second form of read is also read, is also read, read, read. Okay. So again, so here it starts with question did. Then again we starts with the words helping verb was. So was this novel read by you? Means did you read this novel? Its passive is was this novel read by you? Okay, because the object again comes in place of subject and subject you comes in place of object. The next sentence is past continuous tense. Okay. So what is the structure of past continuous tense? So first of all, we know the structure of past continuous tense because we have to identify the sentence. Okay. So if a sentence contains subject plus was, were plus V4 plus object, when any sentence contains subject plus was, were plus V4 plus object, it means that is of past continuous tense. So when we change it into passive, the object comes in place of subject. So object plus was, were, then we use being, then V3, then by, then subject. For example, she was singing a song. Okay. So a song is the object, it comes in place of subject. So a song. Thereafter we use was, were, so was. Then we use being, V3. So V3 of singing is sing, sang, sung. Okay, sung. So sung is the V3. Thereafter we use by, and thereafter we use her, because she changed into her. Okay. So she was singing a song. Its passive is a song was being sung by her. Again, I have taken one interrogative sentence. So are the children flying kites? So here are. So we start with was, were. So we use with kites. Kites is here. So we use were. W-E-R-E, were. So were the kites, because kites is the object. It comes in place of subject. Being then flying used into flown, okay, by the children, means were the kites being flown by the children? Okay, question is, are the children flying the kites? Here it will be the T-H-E, the is left. Okay, so the kites. So are the children flying the kites? So again, were the kites being flown by the children? The next one is past perfect tense. Again, we have to identify the sentence. Either the sentence belong to which tense, past, present, future, or anyone. So how to identify the past perfect tense? So it has also a basic structure. The structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Means if any sentence contains subject, then had, then V3 and object, it means it is of past perfect tense. When we change it into passive, the object comes in place of subject. So here I had written object, then had, and we use been, then V3, then by, and then subject. For example, she had read this book. Okay, she had read this book, and here this book is the object, so object comes here, so we have written this book. Then we use had been, then we use V3 read, and then we use subject in place of object, so she changed into her, so she had read this book had been read by her. Next, one more example. Had he not read this letter? So again we have to use had before, so had, then we use object, so this letter comes here in place of subject, thereafter not, then we use been is here, been, and then V3 read by him, means had he not read this letter, its passive is had this letter not been read by him. Okay, next class we will discuss the more active and passive voice. Thank you.